Good morning, big kids. It's Monday morning. Give you a little grasp of where we're at in the week. Burning through some shipping, some eBay stuff that sold over the weekend. A real nice mix of things. Some snowmobile stuff, some ATV stuff, some dirt bike stuff, a little vintage motorcycle stuff splattered in there, right? A real cornucopia of parts going out today. It's wonderful. It's just wonderful. Went through eBay messages this morning and got one customer that's not the happiest with me. Can't tell you that we're best of friends right now. Situations like that arise. Typically, we're always able to diffuse the situation, right? Happy to take returns. There's a return process. Not my process, it's eBay's process, man. So we all got to play by the same rules. This guy doesn't want to play by those rules, right? He doesn't want to. He's telling me how to do things, and I'm like, dude, I don't know, do what you gotta do, talk to eBay. So I think surprised that they haven't stepped in just yet, but eBay, I think he's gonna pull eBay into the situation, which is fine. It's part of the deal. I feel bad that we couldn't figure it out beforehand. It wasn't from lack of trying. It's just one of those personalities. So we'll get it all figured out in the end. We might not be best of friends, but we'll at least not be in this situation anymore. So that should get figured out, I would think, later today, if he does what he says he's going to do. But I'm surprised I haven't heard anything just yet. So whatever, it's in the past. We'll get through that, and on to the next happy customer. I've got a simple, oh my god, someone's shooting at me. A simple little video out there opening up an auto tensioner on a Articat chain case. Had a phone call today. Someone had looked at that video, found that one of the parts inside of his was busted. So I have a few of these in parts. He called. I got it. It's going out to Maine. Boom. Power of the internet. Quiet day around here today. Must be first day of spring break. I don't know. Everybody's waiting for the weather to turn. That's going to be happening soon. Shipping's almost done. A couple more things to get out of here before FedEx shows up. Handful of parts came in for service. The phone barely rang. It's a low-key day today. Got to do a pretty satisfying thing today. Clean that whiteboard off. I mean, erase it. It didn't really clean up, but that's another problem. I'm just going to fill it up again anyways. Little frappuccino. Spending a lot of time upstairs today. There was a ton of items to ship out. There's a couple items that are not technically missing just yet. Just haven't put my hands on them yet. So they are they're hiding. They're hiding right now. So we gotta find those, get those out before eBay's all like, "Quack-ow! Get that stuff shipped." And FedEx should be here any minute. So I got like zero time to do this. Almost done with the little tires. Almost done. I had one. I popped the tube in one. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it. I felt it as soon as it happened. The spoon came back too hard. But I got some big ones. Finally. First big ones of the season. Those are going to go on super smooth. I had to hold off on finishing off these little guys. I popped that one, which was so devastating. I was so bummed. I had some spare tubes that I had ordered, ripped into those, and they had the lame fill on them. The stem. It was a 90. Nobody wants the 90. What was I thinking? So I got the right tubes in stock with the right valve stem on them. So I'm going to pound these out Gonna get those big ones, rip through those, and everyone's gonna be happy. You know what's kind of making me sad is that we're almost out of Brappuccino season. I'm just kidding. We're never out of Brappuccino season. Klotz is the best. Finished the big bike rear. Whew. That one drop kicked my butt. I don't know what the deal was, but man, taking an old used tire off, putting a somewhat decent used tire back on, rim lock. Man, it was a struggle. I chose to do this one live on Instagram, so a couple people watched me wrestle in this thing. So there's a little pressure there, but man, that thing took way longer than I was expecting. I don't know what the deal was there. Be a little rusty. One of the last sleds. There she is, back up and running, ready to go home and hibernate for the summer. So I was charging up a little battery and I didn't take the little vent off of it, the little vent line cap. And the levels were off. So I popped one of the little plugs to put some more acid in it. The little cap went flying off into no man's land. I got sprayed with some battery acid. I had to use the OSHA approved eye wash station, aka some Dawn soap in the sink. I'm safe, I think. Maybe tomorrow morning I might have to go to the ER, but I think I'm good, bro. I think I'm good. Today's looking like a pretty successful day. Rounding it out right now. We got that ZR up and running. New cylinder on that. And that one stuck around for a little while. A little issue with the threads on that cylinder, so I had to go back. Got another one. So that one's marked to go home. Sportsman's going home. Yami's going home. Blaster's ready to go home. That thing's going home. That thing's going home. You're going home. I feel like Oprah in here. Everybody's going home. And then we've got our own quad for sale. The Powersport 400 with the big bore. I'm not 100% sure what the big bore is, but it's bigger. Everybody loves bigger, right? This is America. Bigger and better. That's up and running. Kevin got that. Kevin and Zach both got that going. So that is going to be for sale very, very soon. And speaking of for sale, Blaster. People are starting to talk about that thing back there. So if you're looking for a Blaster, better get in right now. Get in. All right. I think that's it for today. I'm out of here. Peace.